In the heart of Accra, Ghana, stands a beacon of opportunity and transformation, the Hope Training Institute. Founded with a vision to empower individuals through skills and knowledge, the Institute has become more than just a training center. It is a place where dreams are nurtured and futures are shaped. This is the story of lives being changed, one skill at a time. This is the story of a community rising together. This is the Hope Training Institute, where education meets transformation and where every step forward begins with hope.
My name is Juliet Ofori Amoa, the Managing Director for Hope Training Institute. When we say Hope Training Institute, one may ask, what is it? So the Hope Training Institute is a subsidiary of the Village of Hope. When we take the Village of Hope as a group, it has about 7 subsidiaries. We have the orphanage, the Hope Children's Village. We have Hope Christian Hospital. We have Hope College. We have Hope Christian Academy. We have Hope Ridge School in Nkwitia. We have Hope Children's Place in Bongo. And then we have the Hope Training Institute at Ayawaso in the North Municipality. So what the Village of Hope stands for is to care for needy, destitute children, give health care, and then give education. Under the child care program, that is where Hope Training Institute falls. And what we do at the Hope Training Institute is to give skills training, we give rehabilitation services, we reintegrate young adults. When I say young adults, then we are talking about teenagers who are connected to the streets, teenagers who are needy, teenagers who are destitute, teenagers who are orphan. So such are the people that we have in our facility here.
Yeah, my role here is to train the kids here how to sew bags and also instrument cases and other covers. Because it's a leather workshop, we normally use leather to train, and sometimes we use fabric. It could be any fabric, to train them.
Yeah, makeup so yeah, nails, pedicure and manicure. Yeah, sounds so blading. I almost can say a tribune. Yes, now I have saying so. I have no bar. Yeah, chair.
Some of the things that we encourage our young ones once they come into our facility is to add holistic training to our programs. So once you come, it's not just about coming to learn a skill and then you go. We need to work on you emotionally, physically, mentally, and then spiritually.
Now we go street no so. We dia konyaba bebre. I was street no so. Me pepa aman for kani. Me sika. Me sada aman for store ni. But semehwe adia village ayama na mehwe tama na me wo abonten a mani age bebre efisika ne akom timi de me ama mitimi kowie obi ade na makoye de makoton anase di owo emu kra ye wa honde che no na ye sisi no na ya gini sika e de akoto duane na ye di
ansa na me wo efia mbeba han na me was 16 years and papa free o free mu no asete mu be ye din pa na mbom de yakopo ase se enam papa dan foso e ma me be hu ama no training institute afam ama sisi am to me pam ade betumi apam ade bia se adepam ni bia epam
mobile street ni so omope amanfo a omebo mu insano adwuma ti ombae no mbisam na mse beye insano adwuma omo so omo sa dumi at afa we intiti ya sei na ebia me nim ade wɔ school ɔmo de me bɛfa ɛno susu adesua book mu nsɛnsɛm metumi apam atadeɛ metumi apam tra bibia upɛse me pam ma obia metumi apam ama.
What we normally do when we have street cases that has psychological issues, you first have to work with the social welfare, build up a case file with them, and also get the police extraction forms that you have to fill up with them as well before you can make any referral to this place. And then when the child gets here, we also do an assessment and care reform for the child as well to know the background and then the state of the issue. Then we also have a psychologist who work with the children as well. So we have a psychologist who comes here every month to assess the child as well.
Once you come into our facility, you get to stay with us for about 4 years, free of charge. All you need to do is to make up your mind to learn a skill for yourself.
I came to learn how to make bags, and it has helped me a lot. Now I'm able to make bags, and it has built my confidence. I'm also teaching my junior brothers how to make bags and coaching them on how to go about their life.
As we speak now, some of the children have opened shop and working, even employ some of their mates and also juniors to work for them.
You know, as youth, the energy is there. If they don't have something to do, Satan will find something for them to do. Somebody can convince them to do robbing because they need money. So if you convince him small, they will follow that person. So the idea is that we want to help them so that they can find something to do for themselves. We need support. We need tools. We are now working on our pits. But because of financial, we couldn't.
Funding has been our greatest challenge. On average, it costs us 90,000 per month to provide food, medical supplies, training materials for about 60 teenagers, as well as staff emoluments. This is only enough to cover utilities, administrative expenses, and other operational expenses. With adequate funding, we could significantly expand our impact. This means growing our training department, building more dormitories, renovating existing infrastructures, and increasing our intake of disadvantaged youth. Such expansion will not only empower more young people, but also create employment opportunities. Ultimately, sufficient funding will allow us to deliver better, more holistic, and a higher quality training to disadvantaged youth across Ghana. Join us in giving hope and dignity to Ghana's disadvantaged youth. Many children won't have a chance to formal education, but we believe every child matters. The support can help us change lives by being our advocates, thus sharing our story, seeing our impact, visiting our institutes, supporting our programs by purchasing and ordering items made by us, contributing your donations, big or small, whether in kind or in cash. This will directly fuel our efforts to restore dignity.